For as long as I can remember, I looked up at the night sky from down there, wondering what lies beyond. Now I'm here, about to leave it all behind.
Everyone I've ever known, every memory is on that tiny blue dot, and yet my heart compels me to go further.
I'm embarking on a journey to the edge of physics, chasing the speed of light itself, a solo voyage through the cosmos. No one has ever traveled this fast or this far. Goodbye, Earth. I'll carry your memory to the stars. The stars are stretching into streaks. I'm riding on a beam of light. This is what Einstein only imagined. Time and space bending around me.
I glance at a mission clock synchronized with Earth. It's ticking faster than his ship's own clock.
At 90% of the speed of light, for every hour I experience, more than 2 hours will pass on Earth. The faster I go, the greater this time gap becomes. With each fraction of c I approach, I am slipping further into the future, one heartbeat at a time. Even the light from home can't keep up. It redshifts beyond my vision. Ahead of me, starlight compresses and turns blue. Space itself is warping, cruising at 99% of light speed, nearly light speed itself. At this velocity, distance and time do strange things. Distances contract. That which was light years away now feels within reach. What would have been a journey of centuries might pass in mere months for me. Initiating astrophysical analysis. At 0.99 cents, Einstein's theories aren't just abstract, they're alive before my eyes. Look at the Doppler shifts. The starlight ahead is compressed into shorter blue wavelengths, while behind it stretches into a redshift. This is a direct demonstration of special relativity in action. Space is contracting in front of me. 100 light years might seem like one. This ship is a time machine, carrying me across eons and parsecs with each second. I wonder how history will unfold while I'm out here. When I return, if I return, everyone I know could be gone. Decades, maybe centuries, will pass on Earth in what feels like days to me.
Is the knowledge worth the cost? To miss a lifetime back home?
The spacecraft now traverses the vast darkness between stars. Far from any sun, the backdrop is the Milky Way's distant glow. A faint band of light among innumerable stars. The ship is a tiny speck hurtling through the void. Mission log, ship time day 14, I think. It's hard to be sure. Time has become relative. By my clocks, about 2 weeks have passed since I left Earth. According to Earth's frame, years might have gone by already. The void between stars is silent.
Out here, there's no up or down, no day or night. My only reference is the distant glow of galaxies and the ever-shifting clock on my wall.
In this solitude, I can't help pondering the big questions. Cut off from humanity, I'm face to face with the true scale of the universe. Our worries, our squabbles, our triumphs, how small they seem out here, and yet how precious. There, a cloud of gas and dust, 6,500 light-years away. The Crab Nebula. The remnants of a supernova seen from Earth nearly 1,000 years ago.
I set course for it, to witness a place where a star died and scattered its ashes. It's a detour, but who could resist flying through the aftermath of a cosmic explosion?
A vast, otherworldly cloud comes into view. The Crab Nebula. Filaments of glowing gas spread out through the void of space like wispy threads of intertwined shades of red, blue and green. The nebula glows like a ghost in the dark. When that star exploded, its light reached Earth in the year 1054. Chinese astronomers noted a new, bright star in the sky, not knowing they were witnessing a supernova. Now, nearly a millennium later, I'm here in the aftermath of that very explosion. It's like drifting through a dream or a painting. This nebula is rich with elements, hydrogen, helium, and heavier atoms forged in the star's violent death. I'm literally surrounded by stardust. The iron in my blood, the calcium in my bones, they were all forged in a supernova like this, billions of years ago. We are made of star stuff, born from cosmic furnaces. And here, I see that process in action. Creation from destruction. I feel like I'm inside an ancient cathedral of the cosmos, a sacred place of both death and rebirth. This star died, but it spread its riches across space, seeds for new stars and planets. Out of the ashes, new life will one day emerge.
What is that? There, at the heart of this cloud, something is blinking over and over. It's the pulsar, the neutron star left behind, the collapsed core of the supernova spinning like a lighthouse.
Radiation levels increasing, structural field at 80% capacity.
Easy, let's not get too close.
That tiny star is only about 20 kilometers across, the size of a city. Yet it's more massive than our sun. Matter so dense a teaspoon of it would weigh billions of tons, more than a mountain. It's spinning 30 times a second, a giant atomic nucleus left from the star's core, rotating like a cosmic dynamo. Its magnetic field traps particles and flings them out in those beams. When scientists on Earth first detected pulsars, the signals were so regular they thought it might be aliens sending out beeps. Little green men, they joked. But it was this, a rapidly spinning corpse of a star, ticking like a celestial clock.
Even in death, this star is breathtaking. It's like the heart of the star continues beating, sending a message into the universe. I was here. I mattered. I leave the Crab Nebula with a heart, heavy and hopeful. Thank you, and farewell.
Back home, whole generations have likely come and gone while I wandered among these ghosts of stars. I wonder if anyone is listening anymore. If the world I left remembers me, or has humanity moved on, forging its own future among the stars without me?
No, I must continue. This journey, my purpose, it still matters. For whoever might hear of it one day, I will see it through.
If the death of a star can lead to new worlds, perhaps it's time to visit a world born long ago. A world that might harbor life. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey through the cosmos. In this episode, we've left the familiar cradle of Earth behind and ventured deep into the vast expanse, right up to the Kepler 452 system. We've witnessed the wonders of space, experienced the mind-bending effects of time dilation, and marveled at the beauty of distant worlds, all of which are just a taste of what lies ahead. Our adventure is far from over. In the coming episodes, we'll continue to explore the mysteries of the universe, uncovering even more astonishing phenomena and pondering the profound questions of our existence. If you enjoyed this part of the journey, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts and theories in the comments below. Stay tuned for the next chapter in our cosmic adventure, and remember, the universe is full of secrets waiting to be discovered, one heartbeat at a time. Until then, keep looking up and never stop exploring. Safe travels, fellow explorers.